Right, here's how to get this chatbot code. Start off on your Facebook page. So you're going to go to your page. You're going to see the settings up here, so click on that. Then you're going to want to go to the Messenger platform. And now you're here, you're going to scroll down. You've probably already connected your ManyChat, if that's what you're doing your chatbot through. But what we're actually going to do is install the Messenger on your website, and ManyChat runs through that. Or you can just install the Messenger on your site too. So you want to scroll down until you see this one, Customer Chat Plugin. Hit the setup. You can, change your greeting here. Up to you. You can change the colors as well, right? Like if your site's green, do a green one, right? Hit next, and that's it. Just need to copy that to clipboard, get us that code, we'll put it on your site.